Kunjafi, thank you very much for being here. You have been known as a very active advocate for Lana culture, Lana art, and Lana legacies in general. Before we talk about that, how do you see the relationship between art in general and tourism in general?
Okay, when we travel, we want to see things, we want to experience things, and art is very much part of our life, and music and stuff like that. And I think the more educated the people are, the more they love art. And when they travel, they want to go to see where are the art in a destination they visit. And it can be art gallery, it can be museum, and it can be other things that related to art.
That brings us to Lana art, and how can you give us a little bit of an overview of what Lana art is all about?
Lana art is very unique in a way because it is the art that is a part of the legacy of the Lana ancient kingdom, which was founded in Chiang Rai more than 750 years ago. And the legacies of art cover visual art, performing art, and also handicraft.
And will that, or is that being exposed to tourists when they come to Chiang Rai?
Yeah, because if you look around in Chiang Rai today, at the birthplace of Lana culture, and it is still very visible whether the architecture of an ancient Lana temple or the way the traditional dress, the traditional dances, they are all part of Lana art and the Lana legacy. And don't forget, the Lana kingdom was founded 750 years ago when Thailand did not exist, even many other countries like Burma, Laos. And the whole territory covers actually today 4 countries. You're talking about the Shantet in Laos, in Chiang Tung, and Luang Shantet in Myanmar, Chiang Tung, and then Luang in Laos, and also Siptong Phana in Chinh Hong, Yunnan. And these are all Lana territory, covering most of the northern part of Thailand.
Is Chiang Rai using this kind of fascinating history you just told us to promote their destination?
Unfortunately not. That's why I think we partner chapter can do something. I consider Lana art a selling point for the tourism in Chiang Rai.
And why is it not being used by the tourism industry here in Chiang Rai?
Well, it is not absolutely not being promoted or used, but it is not rigorously, aggressively done. But if a tourist comes to Chiang Rai today, they see most of the places. I think Chiang Rai tourism is very heavy on art and heritage. If tourists come here, they go to museum, temple, they somehow related to Lana. Let's say Wat Phra Kaew, Emerald Buddha temple, and the Hall of Opium is more modern, and it involved with the ethnic group. It is not exactly to do with Lana, but again it has to do with art.
Is there a Lana festival in this region?
Not in the sense of a modern festival, but traditional Lana festival, yes. For example, every January we have a festival called White Art, which is to remember the founding of the Chiang Rai Kingdom and the birth of King Ming Rai.
So should we consider a larger role of Lana culture and art into tourism?
Definitely. I think Lana art should be promoted and to bring about more awareness. from the public and the people who are more interested in Lana art.
Does the Pata chapter have any plans for that, and how?
Well, we intend to organize more awareness for Lana art and culture by organizing symposium and festival. The festival could have various part of components. It could have performing art, it could have Lana food, it could have Lana handicraft, Lana painting, sculpture. So it will cover all areas of Lana.
Fantastic, and thank you very much for taking the time to explain us about this fascinating culture.
Thank you, my pleasure.